bird catcher, and I hooray, all merry and forever gay and famous a bird catcher, grand to young and old throughout the land. Know how to lure into a snare and how to whistle to them there. That's why I'm happy and carefree, for all the birds bow to me. When all the girls then would be mine, I'd quickly buy some sweets so fine. The dearest one I would then meet, and quickly give my finest sweet. Then if she kissed me tenderly, I'd marry her, my wife she'd be. She'd sleep beside me every night, and I would always hold her tight.